guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ugali Money and just hoping that you're doing great and you're keeping yourselves safe still. So right about now today I'll just show you how to make a coffee face mask. So this is a coffee face mask. You'll only need coffee and water. Okay, so I just use a little, like 2 spoons of coffee, just 2 tablespoons of coffee, and half okay, I think half a glass, not half, quarter glass of water will do, because when you use a lot of water your face will become itchy. Let me give you an example of when you wash your face and you just let that water sit on your face for so long, your face gets itchy, right? So I'm just mixing that. See, you don't have to use a lot of water. That's the water that you need, just a little bit, just a tiny bit. Okay, so and then I'll just start applying this to my face, and I'm saying hello to you guys. I've really missed you guys, by the way. It's been so long, it's been months since I posted, and I'm really sorry about that. There has been a lot going on. Anyway, what matters is that I'm back, right? So I'm just applying this mixture onto my face. Guys, let me tell you the truth. I love the smell of coffee on my face. Okay, I already love taking coffee, especially when I'm at work and all that, in the morning and in the evening. Though I hear it's not really good to take a lot of coffee, but I take coffee each and every morning at work, I'm telling you guys. So I'm just applying it, and I love the smell of coffee on my face right after I wash it. It's just an amazing feeling. So just look at that. I'm applying my face mask in a circular motion. In a circular motion. Just see, guys, look at that. Just apply it in a circular motion. That is actually more advisable. Yeah. And guys, just keep yourselves safe. I really don't know what else that is more important than your health, or something more important than I should tell you right now, because your health is much more important to you, to your family, to anyone else. Okay, COVID is real, guys. Just keep yourselves safe and don't forget to pray, obviously. So I'm just applying it in a circular motion. I'm just trying to let you guys understand how I'm applying it. Also, take care of your eyes. You don't want one of the coffee particles to get into your eyes. I also applied the coffee mixture on my lips. That's because I wanted to scrub my lips. I usually scrub my lips each and every time I'm brushing my teeth. And that day I forgot, when I was brushing my teeth, I forgot to scrub my lips. So there goes the reason why I did that. And now to move faster, this is how I look. I look ridiculous, guys. I know I look ridiculous, but we do a lot for beauty, so there goes me. I look really funny. I look funny. But anyway, guys, just look. Ta-da! Ta-da! My face looks amazing. Oh, can we really sing? My face looks amazing. Anyway, guys, so I had just washed my face. I used Dettol soap and warm water to wash my face. So after washing my face, I dried it up, and now I'm moisturizing it using Valon. That's a face oil. I'm moisturizing it using Valon. Yeah, and guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, for watching this video and more others. please subscribe to my channel, share this video to other people so that it can be helpful to them, and remember to stay safe, keep yourself safe, because when you do that you also keep your family safe. Bye guys, till next time. Ciao. Love you all, fam.